how to link layers in Photoshop, how to apply transformations to all the layers that are linked. Go to the layers panel, that's the key thing, and select the layers you want to link. So some text, I'm going to select layer there and also this layer. So I've got this background white, all three layers are now selected. What you can do, just go down to the bottom of the layers panel and you can find that in the window menu and layers, and you click here. Just click this little link here, or go to layer and link layers. Now I'm going to use that one. So link layers, and as soon as you do that, you'll notice you get this little link symbol here. They're all linked now. So I can select any of the parts. So say that one, that image, and I can resize. And as I do that, they all get resized. The text, the background, also rotate or move. You don't have to think about all the other layers that are connected. So it's just done for all of them. So you can then press return. However, say you decide, you know what, I want to change the word linked. I'm not happy with that anymore. So you can select that, just select that layer, just that layer, and then just go down here to the bottom and you can unlink at any time. So just click there. As soon as you've done that, well, you can just change it. Think, you know what, the text is wrong. So I'm just going to change it to Alexa or something like that. Press return. Now, of course, I can now position it in the place that I want to. So it's all nicely again. And exactly the same as before, select all those layers. Again, go down there to the linking and it's linked again. So they're all linked. And now what I can do, I can resize, rotate with that new text. Press return. And of course, if you decide I don't want them all linked anymore, you can remove it. Simply just go down here and again, just click there. And that's it. They're all unlinked now and you can move them individually, select that, resize it, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.